This is the 3D VIEW-MASTER story Mickey Mouse. VIEW-MASTER Reel 1. Pluto the pointer. Mickey and Pluto were going quail hunting, but Pluto lost the track when he followed a little worm. Mickey thought Pluto was still behind him. "Don't follow so close, Pluto," scolded Mickey as he shoved his gun back, right into the stomach of a bear. Startled, Mickey apologized to the bear before running as fast as he could toward Pluto's trail. "Beans tonight instead of bear steak," said Mickey to Pluto. Picture 1. If you smell game, point, Pluto. Picture 2. Pluto followed wrong trail with a worm. Picture 3. Stop, Pluto. Mickey didn't see the bear. Picture 4. Don't follow so close, Pluto. Picture 5. Excuse me, Mr. Bear, I thought... Picture 6. Pluto, a bear! Yelled Mickey. Picture 7. Point for home, Pluto, Mickey panted. VIEW-MASTER Reel 2. The brave little tailor. Long ago a giant was raiding the countryside. When people heard that the tailor Mickey Mouse had killed 7 with a single blow, they thought he killed 7 giants rather than 7 flies. Thus Mickey was appointed the country's giant killer. First, he hid in a pumpkin patch, but the giant found him. Mickey then got his strongest tailor thread and sewed up the giant, winding the thread round and round until the giant could not move. Mickey was the people's hero. Picture 1. I killed 7, Mickey shouted. Picture 2. The king made him royal giant killer. Picture 3. Giant almost ate him with pumpkins. Picture 4. He ran up the giant's sleeve. Picture 5. And sewed the giant's hand tightly. Picture 6. He used his strong thread for loops. Picture 7. All celebrated the capture of the giant. VIEW-MASTER Reel 3. The toy shop. Mickey went toy shopping. He was having so much fun that he didn't see a small boy testing a wagon. When Mickey was hit from behind, he flew onto a rolling stuffed elephant out into the street, right into the middle of traffic. Mickey got a traffic ticket without even driving a car. Picture 1. A toy shop, what fun, said Mickey. Picture 2. Don't touch, the toy shop man warned. Picture 3. A junior speeder struck poor Mickey. Picture 4. Then all the toys seemed to attack. Picture 5. Mickey was tossed onto an elephant. Picture 6. Dazed, he rode the beast into the street. Picture 7. They'll never believe this is at the station.